Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to add new user in Clodify system. So we are logging as admin. Go to management users page, click on create user button and add information about new user. I will add some test user. Let's say we don't have middle name, some test company. I can add or not the salary and official salary, because if I don't know the salary, we can then just go to edit the user and add the salary. But I will add, let's say 1000. The user role, I can add any of the user roles, but today I will add like a new developer. Employment general, email, Slack username we can add, but I will not add because I don't know just the Slack username of this user. If you know the Slack username, you can add it, and the same with the phone. So anyway, we can save the user, then we can see that it was created here. We added the new user and we can edit information about this user. So this is how we create new users in Clodify